Very good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss an important page replacement algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. So the name itself or implies that it is an optimal technique for replacement of a page in memory management technique. Okay. So we know already that memory management operating system is a system software acting as an interface between computer hardware and computer user. Okay, so it performs four functions. There are four major functions of operating system: memory management, device management, processor management, and information management. Okay, so in the second unit we discussed elaborately the memory management. Okay, so I told already that in operating system sense, memory always refers the random access memory, that is primary memory. Okay, so the memory in memory management we are going to discuss how operating system allocate RAM space for different user program as well as system programs. Okay. So there are four functions in memory management module. Keep tracking the status of each byte. Okay, keep tracking the status of each byte. Okay, so we discussed already bit reference. So in bit reference, OS came to know that what are all the bytes available and what are all the bytes now already occupied. Okay, so if a byte is referred by 1 means it is allocated to someone user program or system program. 0 means it is not yet allocated and it is free, so it may be occupied by any byte of program or data. So this is the first function. Second, allocating policy. Third, that is deciding the allocation policy. Third one, performing the actual allocation, and the last one, deallocation. Okay, these are all the things we discussed already. So there are so much of page replacement algorithm, single contiguous algorithm, partitioned algorithm, single contiguous allocation algorithm, partitioned allocation, paged allocation. Next, demand paged memory management technique. So in demand paged memory management techniques, we discussed various page replacement algorithm. So for example, FIFO, FIFO, that is first in, first out. So in first, so in when first in first out algorithm going to be executed, it resulted a page that is residing in random access memory and it is entered first. Okay, so which page was entered first going to be replaced first. This is the principle of FIFO, first in first out. Next we discussed LRU, least recently used. So we know very well that most recently used. Most recently used means which page was currently executed. So which page was currently recently executed is referred most recently. But the algorithm is least recently. Least means which page was residing in random access memory for longest period of time without involving in execution going to be replaced, that is least recently used algorithm. So now we are going to discuss optimal algorithm. So in optimal algorithm, the same principle, very initially n number of frames is allocated for executing one user program. This is the principle of demand page memory management. Okay, so for first n number of pages, n number of different pages, first n number of page faults occurs because these are all the pages going to be entered first. Okay, then if all frames are occupied by someone pages, next if one new page entered for execution, here page fault occurs. Okay, if a page fault occurs, one residing page must be replaced. So that optimal page replacement algorithm provides two things. Okay, so we know already that in execution, if one page going to be referred means it going to look on the page map table. Okay, so if the referred page is already exist in frames, there is no problem, but here the hit ratio going to be increased. Okay, the hit ratio means how many times a page is referred within frame. Okay, so this is hit ratio. So hit ratio going to be incremented by 1 when a page is page is not created page fault. Okay, not involved in page fault. So otherwise, if there is any page fault, one residing page must be replaced with the demanding page. Okay, so that with the residing pages, according to the principle of optimal page replacement algorithm, so the entire reference string going to be scanned, because so in optimal page replacement algorithm, OS replaces the page that will not be used for the longest period of time in future. Okay, so in optimal page replacement algorithm, if one page going to be replaced by one frame means that frame should not be used for longest period of time in future. Okay, so this principle is very important. This principle followed in optimal page replacement algorithm, so that special some additional software components and hardware components must be introduced, because we know already that reference string. So reference string is a set of numbers refers the page that are involved in execution in an order. Okay, so in execution, if a page is referred and it is already present, it is incremented by 1, that is hit ratio. Second, if not, page fault occurs, so that find if a page that is never referenced in future. So first among the pages, okay, among the pages in RAM here, so here for your understanding, very initially the first 3 frames are occupied by 3 page faults 7, 0, 1. Okay, next when the second page number 2 entered in execution, what is happening? All 3 frames are occupied by the 3 pages 7, 0, 1, so that page fault occurs. Okay, so among the 3 pages 7, 0, 1, any one page must be frame must be replaced, so that here the page optimal page replacement algorithm going to be implemented, so that it going to listen, it going to scan the entire list. Okay, so page number 7. So page number 7 here, page number 7 was not used in longest period of time, but 0 and 1, once 0 and 1s are involved in execution frequently than page number 7. Okay, so that page number 7 is replaced with 2. Page number 7 is replaced with 2. Okay, this is optimal page replacement algorithm, so that it going to find a page residing in random access memory, that is not involved in execution in future for longest period of time, or never it going to be involved in execution. Okay, so I advise all the students to work out this example. So using optimal page replacement algorithm, the number of page faults is reduced at most. Okay, but there are some advantages and disadvantages. So advantages means the number of page faults are reduced at most, but the execution time may be increased, because execution time means time between job submission and job completion. Okay, so within job submission and job completion, for each page fault, according to the principle of optimal page replacement algorithm, it find a page that is not used in future, or a page not used for a farthest period in future. Okay, so that execution time may be increased. Okay, so this is an important technique. Yeah, actually this technique is implemented in recent operating systems. Okay, Windows XP, Linux, this and all. Okay, thank you.